significant weather advisory for Rockwall, Kaufman, northeastern Johnson, northeastern Hill, Ellis, and Dallas counties until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:05 a.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Rockwall to near Joshua. Movement was southeast at 35 miles an hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Rockwall, Burleson, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Midlothian, Terrell, Seagoville, and Forney.